I've been working from home for 3 years, and after a lot of trials and errors, I finally come up with a perfect daily schedule that works for me. Today I want to show you how you can plan your day. The most important thing I've learned from these 3 years of working from home is to start planning your day the night before. Basically, what I mean by that, all you have to do is to carve out 5 minutes within your evening routine and plan your next day ahead. It really helps you to start the next day on the right foot and boost your motivation to actually get things done. Usually I plan my day on my whiteboard hanging in the kitchen. It's my little family command center, but especially for you I designed 3 daily printable you can download absolutely for free from my website aniahome.com. I will put the link down in the description. And now I want to show you how I plan my day with this printable. But first, thumbnail. First of all, I mark the day of the week and put down the date in the planner's upper right corner. And as you can see, the format date may be a little bit weird for you, but it's all because I live in Poland, in Europe, and this is how our date looks like. It's day, month, and year. Next to it you have this blank space and you can write there anything you want, or you can leave it just empty. I like writing there something positive, like today will be a great day, or it's a good day to have a great day, or something like this. Secondly, I write a daily affirmation. Usually I scroll through Pinterest to find something motivational and inspirational. Thirdly, I put on my daily planner template my top 3 tasks. It's so helpful to be focused only on these 3, the most beneficial tasks. Also, it's a great way to be intentional with your time. Then I use an hourly AM/PM schedule template. I wake up at 6 a.m., so this is why this daily schedule starts from 6 a.m. and ends at 11 p.m. Personally, I've been working with a time blocking schedule for a few months and I really love it. It helps me sticking with my weekly schedule, and definitely I become more productive and I get all things done within these basic blocks. Along with this, I jot down my daily to-do lists based on my top 3 main tasks or my weekly schedule, eventually monthly schedule. So, for example, if my main task is to publish new blog post, I have to write text, I have to make photos and edit them in Snapseed, I have to format this blog post, I have to create pins to my Pinterest marketing strategy and create some images. Also, I take a SEO course, so I have to complete module 2. Then I write down my daily course. I have an additionally monthly cleaning schedule, so I only put down this daily course I have to complete within the day. Also, you have a to buy section where you can write down some random stuff you have to get. If you want to track some healthy habits, you have 2-minute trackers, and for me it's a water tracker, water intake tracker, and a step tracker. Moreover, you have a space to put down things to remember, because as a rule we all have these things we need to remember and we put them on random sticky notes. However, now it's all put down on your daily hourly planner altogether, so it's easier to remember it. After writing all of your daily tasks, it's time to think about yourself, and it's so easy to forget having some self care practice time. So, this is why I put this box with self care activities, because it's so important to actually take care about yourself. It prevents burning out and feeling miserable. So, highly recommend this section. In the next box, you put what's for dinner, and this question always stressed me out. So, this is why I include it in this daily planner template to avoid being so stressed out. So, basically, I repeat what I have already written in my weekly meal planner, and I put some notes like defreeze chicken, and I always forget about it, so it's good to have it written down. The last two boxes are all about daily review with grateful log and daily thoughts. Basically, you can use this box for some kind of daily brain dump or some way to clear your mind and to be grateful for today. And for example, here I wrote, I'm grateful for drinking my coffee in silence. This is how I plan my day. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and see you next time. Bye!